Python text-based game room-to-room movement. Hi, I am new to coding and creating a text-based game in Python. I am writing the code to move from room to room. I need some help cleaning up what I have done so far. I ran it through an instant feedback program and got these tips and not exactly sure how to correct it. The great whole string is a key in main dictionary. Revise code so it is not a key in main dictionary. It said it cannot classify my code, not sure what that means. Consolidate multiple print commands into one function. Make conditions simpler by using non-complex conditions. Better practice to use while true, and the break reserved word to stop the loop when you require it to stop. Data setup. Game loop.
By the way, you will get more help on Code Review Stack Exchange. This URL. First of all, your code does not work, the code in the while loop is not indented. This will throw an error. This will not. Better practice to use while true, and the break reserved word to stop the loop when you require it to stop. You seem to already be using that, but it's not noticing it because of your indentation error. The great whole string is a key in main dictionary. Revise code so it is not a key in main dictionary. What this might mean is making multiple dictionaries instead of putting it all in one, but that doesn't really matter, so I don't know why it's complaining. It said it cannot classify my code, not sure what that means. I don't either, please provide some context. Consolidate multiple print commands into one function. Now this is getting out of hand. I don't know why it's telling you to do that, but you could use a tuple for that. Make conditions simpler by using non-complex conditions. Not sure what it means there. Again, please provide context. Also, as a comment said, using f-strings, Python 3.6 plus only, would make your life a whole lot easier. This could be shortened to this. The \n will act as a blank print call.
How tricky.